Code Academy is a free 4-day course that we do for students in different universities across Scandinavia. We teach the basics of collaboration in DevOps and continuous delivery. So we teach how Agile works, how to use distributed version control systems, how to use Docker, how to use CI systems, and how to work in teams to make effective environments for software collaboration. We think it's important because, well, the university is very good at teaching technology to students and theory to students, but the reality of the software industry is that we work in teams, in groups, to make software, and that is where continuous delivery and DevOps comes in, because continuous delivery and DevOps are effectively just tools, techniques and cultures around working together on software projects. We want to bring that aspect of the real world to students early as possible. So we help bring some of the industry towards academia, and also many of the PhD students, the teaching assistants and even the professors join in the course. So they also want to learn these skills.
When you learn, for example, Git, there's much more detail in how the commands work and what they actually are. You get more in depth.
As a developer, I always want to enhance my skills, like the Git and Jenkins and automation circle CI things are almost the basic things in the current competitive market. So I want to enhance my skill as well as learn other things, like new things which can improve my career and shift my career in the future.
We do a game with Lego, which is a simulation of Scrum and Agile task management. And the nice thing about using the Legos is it's very hands-on, so it's a lot of fun for people. It's something everybody understands. Everybody grew up with Legos, so they know how it works, they understand. So we don't have to teach Agile as well as teaching some other aspects of software development. We can just focus on, here's how we deal with the customer, this is how product owners should be engaged with, this is how you ask good questions about requirements.